Did you know that one of the longest rivers in Massachusetts was the Housatonic? The Housatonic River flows north to south between the Taconic Mountain Range of eastern New York and the Berkshire Hills of western Massachusetts, eventually reaching its final destination in Long Island Sound, Connecticut, between the cities of Stratford and Milford. The Housatonic stretches 140 miles long. The name the Housatonic came from the Mohican Indians that traveled over the mountains into Massachusetts. The original name meaning is a place beyond the mountain, so it has a good fit. Soon after the river was discovered, the river was used to fuel mills that started to pop up in the cities it ran through, like the Pontuzic Mill located in Pittsfield. This river is fueled by the Williams River, the Green River, and the Concopat River, which are also all located in Massachusetts. The Housatonic River is used for many things like swimming, fishing, camping, canoeing, cross-country skiing, and there is a Housatonic River Walk located in Great Barrington, Massachusetts.